You'll hear someone say this computer needs to be put on a domain, or put the computer on the domain, something like that, in relation to a computer that has been freshly ghosted. What that means exactly is to make that computer join the lsu.edu domain so that a user can log on with their MyLSU or PAWS ID. And the way this is done is with the computer's name itself. And to find that setting, you're going to need to go to System, Advanced System Settings, and then under this Computer Name tab, you see this to rename this computer or change its domain or workgroup, click Change. And right here, these are two very important steps that you get this exactly right. This is how the computer has been named in the Active Directory Administrative Center. When someone says this computer needs to be staged or restaged, that means an administrator from ResLife needs to add the computer's name to the domain in the specified container. For this example, this email station is called rh-rc1 email xx, and generally we use the format of rh for residential housing, dash, and then the name of the building, and then another dash, and then whether it's an email station, lab, or what have you, and then a number. For domain, you put in lsu.edu. Alright, now when you click OK, this is going to ask you for a username and password from the LSU domain. This needs to be an administrator. So we have ResLife help, and the password you enter that, and then you are greeted with the welcome to the LSU domain, and you click OK. Now it's going to force you to restart the computer, and when you restart the computer, you will be able to log on using the MyLSU username and password. The local administrators group allows any username within that group to be treated as a local administrator on the computer that we are working on. So whenever you ghost a computer, the ResLife Tech and the ResLife Admins group should already be inside of the local administrators group, but you always want to check and make sure that it is. So to do so, you would need to open up Control Panel and then go to Administrative Tools. Within Administrative Tools, you want to go to Computer Management, and right off to the left-hand side, you see Local Users and Groups. We want to go to Groups, and then the Administrators group. And in this list, all of the usernames or group names here will be treated as local administrators. And as you can see right here, RH admins and RH techs pulling from the LSU domain will be treated as admins for that computers. So if any username that is on the LSU domain, like a MyLSU ID, if it is set as an RH admin or an RH tech, it will have all of the same privileges that a local administrator has. In the event that RH techs or RH admins is not listed in the local administrators group, you will need to add it. To do so, you will click the button Add here, and right here you see that it's pulling from the location of the lsu.edu domain. You should only do this after the computer has been put into the domain. So it's pulling from the lsu.edu domain, and right here you want to type in RH techs. And it's very important that you click check names. If you do not click check names, you could run the risk of trying to add an account that doesn't exist. For example, if you spelled text wrong, when you click check names, you're going to get the error that says this name does not exist. So that is how you would do it, and once you are done, it will show up as it does here. But as you can see, this one has already been added. This will help us in case the RH Tech account gets locked out, and will also allow us to use the ResLife Help account on a computer and have it treated as a local administrator.